First business date of month Python. How do I determine the first business date of the month in Python? The program I am writing is drip-fed dates each loop, and I need to be able to get a true/false. I found that you can get last working business day with. Thanks.
I think by this you can get first business date of the month using BMS.
This uses the US federal holiday calendar. It uses a list comprehension to go through every first weekday of the month between the start_date and end_date, and then increments the day if it falls on a US federal holiday or on a weekend until a valid business date is found.
Maximum.